Hey there, fellow wanderers, and welcome back to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life. I'm Stan Cromwell, and you're riding right here in the driver's seat of Bertie Bea, with Rosie tagging along behind. We're rolling into the Pocono Mountains for the Penn Coachmen Rally at the legendary Pocono Raceway. There's something about pulling into a place like this that gets your heart racing. The track, the history, the stories, all of it waiting just beyond in that famous infield. But first, we've got to make our way in. And at Pocono, that means one thing: the tunnel. Now here's the deal. Pocono has two tunnels side by side. The one on the right, that's the auto tunnel, only 10 feet, 6 inches tall. Perfect for cars, but not for a 36-foot motorhome with a tow car tagging faithfully along. Bertie Bea would scrape the roof clean off in there. The left-hand tunnel, that's where the real big rigs go. The racing haulers, the motorhomes, and yes, us. So here we go. I ease Bertie Bea down into the left tunnel. The walls tighten up, the light dims, and the sound changes. You can hear every bit of that engine echoing off the concrete. Rosie's faithfully following behind, and for a moment, it feels like we're burrowing straight into the heart of the tricky triangle itself. And then, daylight. We pop out the other side, and just like that, we're inside the infield of Pocono Raceway. The grandstands rise up around us, and it's hard not to imagine the roar of the crowd on race day. But for us, this week is not about racing, it's about rallying. The Penn Coachmen Chapter is a part of the Family RV Association, and this rally is where friendships get renewed. Stories get swapped, and meals get shared. Yesterday, I was already grilling fajitas for friends as they arrived, and I can tell you, the laughter around the picnic tables is as much a part of the journey as the miles we put on these wheels. Because that's what makes RV life so special. It isn't just the places we see, it's the people we meet, and the camaraderie we share along the way. Rolling into Pocono isn't just another stop on the road. It's coming home to my Penn Coachmen family. So stick around, because this is just the start of an incredible week at the Penn Coachmen Rally. And as always, thanks for traveling with me here on the Wandering Gypsy RV Life. And remember, not all who wander are lost.